This video will guide you through reviewing an investment contract. Investment contract review is a frequently requested service on the ContractsCounsel platform since investors want to understand the terms before signing. If you have received an investment contract to sign, then this video is for you. Before we start, just a brief disclaimer. The following information is provided for educational purposes and in no way constitutes legal advice. For legal advice, we encourage you to consult a licensed attorney. We will cover top considerations when asked to sign an investment contract, key terms defined and understand in your agreement, and costs to hire a lawyer for legal review. We have also added a link in the description below with information on legal fees. Now let's get started. Top considerations for investment contracts. Investment contracts are legally binding agreements between investors and businesses. Before diving into specific terms, here are some key concepts to understand. Investment type. It is important for the agreement to clearly state the type of investment being made. This can include equity, debt, convertible notes, or other types of securities. Valuation. Understand the company's valuation and how it impacts the percentage of ownership or the terms of the investment. Returns. Know the expected returns on the investment, whether they are dividends, interest payments, or capital gains upon exit. Exit strategy. Review the exit strategy for the investment, including potential scenarios such as IPOs, acquisitions, or other liquidity events. Consider hiring a lawyer. It is always recommended to hire a lawyer to help review an investment contract. They can ensure the contract is legally compliant, help you understand industry standard terms, and coach you on negotiations. Key terms to understand. Investment contracts contain many important terms that you should understand. Here are some key terms to look for. 1. Parties involved. Ensure that the names and details of all parties involved are correctly stated, including the legal names of the businesses and investors. 2. Investment amount. Find the section that states the amount of the investment and the payment terms. 3. Equity ownership. Understand the percentage of equity you are purchasing and any conditions attached to it. 4. Dilution protection. Review any anti-dilution provisions that protect your ownership percentage in future funding rounds. 5. Governance rights. Know your rights regarding governance, such as board seats, voting rights, and information rights. 6. Liquidation preferences. Understand how liquidation preferences work, especially in the event of a company sale or liquidation. Liquidation preference refers to the order in which shareholders or lenders receive their payouts. 7. Confidentiality. Understand any requirements to keep information confidential and what information this includes. 8. Term and termination. Review the conditions under which the agreement can be terminated by either party, including any required notice periods. And 9. Dispute resolution. Review the methods for resolving disputes such as mediation, arbitration, or court litigation. Average costs to hire a lawyer. Hiring a lawyer to review your investment contract is always recommended. ContractsCounsel's marketplace allows you to post your project and receive competitive bids from lawyers to compare. Based on our data, the average cost to review an investment contract is $740 on a flat fee. This is based on dozens of recent projects across all U.S. states. Legal fees can vary based on the following factors. State or location. Lawyer fees may vary based on where they are located. For example, a lawyer in New York City will likely have a higher rate than a lawyer in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Length of agreement. Given lawyers traditionally bill by the hour, an agreement with more pages will require more of their time, which can make the legal costs higher. Complexity of terms. If there are complicated terms in the agreement, it can increase legal fees since it'll require the lawyer to spend more time working on the project. Reviewing an investment contract is critical in making sure you protect your rights and ensure a successful investment. If you need help from an experienced lawyer, feel free to search ContractsCounsel or visit ContractsCounsel.com and post a job to get quotes from lawyers to help you. Thanks for watching.